Welcome investors! Today I want to address some of your comments and questions. So first, two questions which you are asking me very often under recent videos about cannabis industry. Why did I buy cannabis stocks in the first place? Then second question, which you often ask is which of the cannabis companies is the best? And third is going to be a comment made by Bacca 89, and I'll quote this comment a little bit later and elaborate about this comment. So if you're interested in talk a little bit about cannabis industry, keep watching. So first question which you're asking often is why did I buy the cannabis stocks in the first place? That was December 2019 when I had a little bit of money from my bonds, and I was not really satisfied with the returns which bonds were bringing to me. And at the same time, I have a friend who has been smoking marijuana for many years, and he has couple bad accidents happened to him related to marijuana. What I mean by this, at least 2 times he got caught by undercover police in Philadelphia, West Philadelphia, buying marijuana. One time from the guy, another time from the girl, both undercover police officers. He had some rough time because of this, and we were talking about marijuana, and he was saying, you know what, Art, if they were selling this stuff legally, I would buy this even more expensive just in order to stay away from the trouble. And I was thinking, hey, there is a couple companies right now which are selling marijuana, and maybe that would be a good time to invest, because if the guy who is a customer and using this product for many years saying something like this, he's not the only one. That was my way of thinking. And at the same time, cannabis industry was going down, down. So that was aligned with my investment philosophy, buying the stocks when they are going down. So about December 3rd, I started buying Aurora, Apria, and then I think December 12th, I bought Organigram Holding. So that is basically the story behind me buying the cannabis industry. They were going down. I was thinking that I'm gonna catch the lowest possible time, which I didn't. And my friend contributing to my decision that eventually a lot of people who are using cannabis would like to buy them legally without having any troubles. Second question which you are asking is which one of the cannabis companies stocks is the best. So far I did 4 videos about Aurora, Apria, Canopy Growth and Organigram Holding, because only I own those 4 companies. And from my research which I did, I think honestly that Apria is the best company, because they have the cleanest and the most pristine balance sheet. That is a quick answer. If I have chance to turn back the time, I would buy just Apria. I wouldn't buy anything else. But since I already have those and other ones, I will keep them as well. But answering the question, Apria, plus they are about to merge with another company which will give them exposure to US market, and like I said, balance sheet is the cleanest, the least amount of debt. This is, in my opinion, number 1 company which I would choose, like I said, if I could turn back the time. Plus, right now, look at my returns. I invested around $20,000 into the company, and look at my returns. They are the biggest. So this also is very simple conclusion. It's bringing the biggest return, so that's the best company, which, if, like I said, if I could turn back the time, I would buy again. The third point which I would like to elaborate is the comment made by Chewbacca89. Chewbacca is saying, and he's talking, I just want to give you a context, about today is the first day when marijuana companies are going down. So he's talking about the entire situation a little bit. And he's saying, honestly, I'm reading so many news outlets, and they keep blaming Reddit investors for the downturn in marijuana industry. I hate Reddit. Marijuana is going to be a very profitable industry, and we have those Reddit people pumping and dumping for petty gains, like F beep, $1,000. I want this industry to be growing. Okay, Chewbacca89. First of all, I don't believe that the recent downturn was made by the Reddit people. A couple videos earlier, I made one video explaining why I think we will not have anytime soon similar situation like with the GameStop stock. It is such a capital intense operation, and it started more than half a year ago by Keith Gill. So recent situation definitively is not made by the Reddit guys. These are not the guys who have billions of dollars stacked in their accounts, and anytime there is a situation, oh, let's start dumping the marijuana stocks, oh, let's start pumping up the Nokia, oh, let's start pumping up the Bed Body Beyond. These are the myths around the recent situation. People like to talk about those things. Guys write the articles, more kind of sensational stories behind. But this is not the reason why recently marijuana went up and why it started going down. I think the reason is more simple. What I mean by this: Democrats winning the House, Senate, and White House. People got excited that legalization is coming, which might not come at all. I'm not here to talk about the politics, but I remember Joe Biden for 8 years being next to Obama, and the reason why he got picked up was that he's a moderate guy, somewhere in the middle between the Republicans and Democrats. So we might not even see the legalization of marijuana. I would be extremely happy if we see it, because I, of course, own those stocks and they would go all the way to the moon. But at the same time, we might not see this. So the reason for recent marijuana spike, I think, is just this push. People see, oh, Biden is in office, House and the Senate is Democrats. Marijuana stocks are gonna go up. Let's put some money over there. That's the reason. And now this pump is slowly going down. And I don't believe it is done by the Reddit guys. Like I said, the Reddit community, these are not the guys with billions of dollars stacked. These are simple investors with not huge resources. Plus, after the recent Reddit pump and dump, GameStop pump and dump, there was just a few guys like Keith Gill and couple another ones who made the money. It was not like the whole Reddit group, which is a couple million people right now, made millions. Absolutely no. So Chewbacca, I want to tell you that don't believe in those articles which you are reading. Me, honestly, I'm not even reading many articles. I'm trying to look at everything from larger perspective. Like you probably saw those pictures which astronauts are taking from the space station, looking into the earth, and when there is a storm, looks beautiful from over there far away. But people on earth, they go through the hell when there is a storm coming in, or some kind of tornado or typhoon. But those guys over there, they are looking at those picture of the earth, and it looks so beautiful, so genuine, so calm. So try to be like this. Try to see the trends. Marijuana stocks, they are gonna go up eventually. Don't worry about the Reddit guys or someone else pumping, dumping. It's artificial thing. Look at the real trends which are eventually coming to the industry. And the cannabis industry, it is going to take off. You will make money if you are patient and if you are strong-minded and don't get influenced by all this news on daily basis. Those guys, they have to write something. They have to write something because that is their bread and butter. They don't make money off the stock market. They make money off the writing the articles. Some theories, you know, that the Reddit guys are pumping this, and now the Reddit guys are gonna be blamed for pumping everything around. So absolutely no, I don't believe in this. Like I said, I'm trying to stay on the side and watching the trends, real trends. So that's why there's no need to read the articles every day, because they are distraction. You read this article, now you feel stressed, you feel anxiety, and maybe I should sell my cannabis stocks because they're being dumped. Absolutely no. Absolutely no. Stay away from reading on a daily basis. Try to observe the big cycles. Big cycles are that we have very low interest rates, which means that we will have inflation coming in the future. We'll have the value of the fiat currencies going down. We will have the precious metals, especially gold, going up. Within a couple years, marijuana is going to go up. Companies in cannabis and marijuana industry are going to go up. This is inevitable. Stick with this. Okay. All right, thank you so much for watching this little bit chaotic video, but I just wanted to quickly respond to Bacca 89 comments and to those two questions. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. If you like this video, hit the thumb up, share this video on Facebook, on Twitter with your friends. I deeply appreciate all your help with building the channel. And if you have any comments about this, what I was talking today about, please write me down the comment, positive and negative. Just remember to explain your opinion, because I'm learning thanks to you a lot. And I deeply appreciate your comments, and I'm really happy to be here. Thank you again. Hope you stay healthy and well. Have a great day.